Here they come for their bath. Chili Fat Boy taking the avian flock to the bath. Come on, guys. Off to the pond they go. Ducks are always in the lead. Those little legs move the fastest. And here comes the rest of the crew. Yep. Hello. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. We got crows right there. It's kind of beautiful morning. Beautiful. And there they go, off for their daily swim. We used to have little pools for them. Well, we actually still do. I saw something just jump in the water, whatever the heck that was. Oh, it's a bird. And now they're spoiled. They go to the pond. Go take a swim. And the pond is low. I don't think it's rained here in well over a month. If it has rained, it's been a sprinkle. Because usually that pond is, oh, I don't know. You don't see a good part of what you're saying. It's usually a lot higher. But the rains will be coming. Then it'll fill up. They don't seem to care. And off they go. The madness begins. This is usually a pretty funny spectacle. They dive under the water. It just goes crazy. So now I'll sit and take a book. Usually I either do work or I just watch them and relax. There's Squinty, my favorite. Morning routines with the birds. With everybody. The birds and the bees. Ah, kind of weird. The birds and the bees. Chili out.